Imagine creating professional videos without standing in front of a camera, without hiring actors, without renting a studio, without recording the same script again and again. What if an AI avatar could present your message naturally, in multiple languages, with realistic lip sync, and professional-looking results? Welcome to HeyGen AI, one of the world's most popular AI avatar video platforms. Businesses, teachers, content creators, marketing agencies, and YouTubers use it to create videos faster than ever. But what exactly is HeyGen AI? How does it work? Can beginners use it? And is AI avatar technology the future of video creation? In this complete guide, you'll learn everything about HeyGen AI. Let's begin. HeyGen AI is an AI-powered video platform that lets you create videos with digital avatars and AI voices. You pick avatars, add your script, customize voices, and generate stunning presenter-style videos. It keeps evolving with new features. Traditional videos need cameras, lighting, microphones, multiple takes, and editing. HeyGen simplifies this by turning your text into professional videos fast. Save time and look great without the hassle. AI avatars are digital presenters. Instead of filming yourself, pick or create an avatar to deliver your script naturally. Perfect for training, demos, tutorials, and more. Want to reach global audiences? AI supports multiple languages and voices, so you can localize your content easily. Just review pronunciation and tone to keep it authentic. YouTube creators, imagine replacing on-camera appearances with an AI avatar for lessons and intros. Focus on your script and storytelling to keep viewers hooked. Businesses use HeyGen for onboarding, training, support videos, announcements, and product explainers, especially when updates are frequent. Teachers create clear, consistent lessons fast. AI helps speed up production, but the educator ensures quality and accuracy. Marketing pros use AI avatars for demos, social media clips, ads, and campaigns. But remember, great marketing solves problems and brings value first. Avoid common mistakes, keep scripts short and conversational. Use good visuals and subtitles. Always review final videos for quality. And don't think AI replaces authentic communication, your message does. Imagine a future where businesses create videos in hours, teachers build multilingual lessons, creators publish consistently, and small firms compete globally, all thanks to AI. AI makes video production accessible, but human creativity, empathy, and knowledge are key. An avatar can present your message, but only you create a message worth presenting. HeyGen AI is a powerful glimpse into the future. Learn it, write better scripts, focus on your audience, and use AI as a creative partner, not a substitute for your ideas. Because great videos don't start with technology, they start with something valuable to say. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more AI tutorials, avatar guides,